Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use my favorite hair mask of all time, and it smells so good, and my friend recommended it to me, so thank you, Hazel. But it is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, and this is how it looks like. It's super cute, and it also came with a hair towel. So this is how the hair towel looks like. It reminds me of tropical vibes and vacation. So I've been using this product for about 2 weeks now, twice a week, and I love the results. It makes my hair really, really soft. I have bleached hair and it gets pretty dry, so what I love to do is I love to apply hair masks at least twice or 3 times a week just to nourish those dry ends. You can find the hair mask and the hair detangler. It's super cute. I bought this at their website and it came with the set. So hair mask, detangler, and the towel is, I believe, $54.99 or $54. But they have a lot of bundles that are definitely affordable, and I think this tub lasts you more than a month for sure. So, and a little goes a very long way. So this is how the hair mask looks like, and when you open it, it looks like this. It has a clear covering. Once you lift the covering, that is the hair mask, and it looks very soft, silky, milky. As you can see, I've used this a couple times. I've probably used this, I think, at least 5 times already now, so this will be my 6th. But it smells just like coconuts and tropical vacations and just a nice fresh drink. As you can see, I have wet hair, so I've shampooed my hair, and this is what we're working with. My length is probably this long, so it's pretty long, and I've colored it. So right now it doesn't look dry, but once it dries, it's definitely going to be dry. So what I like to do before applying the hair mask is I like to part my hair into 2 sides, and then I'm going to grab the detangler that it came with. So this is how it looks like. This is how the detangler looks like. My hair's on it, but that's how it looks like. And I just like to brush it out first, just so the product can apply evenly. And this brush is super gentle on the hair. It's kind of like a wet brush. Alright, so now that I have my hair parted into 2 sections, I'm just going to open up the mask, and I'm going to take a generous amount with my hands. So I would say about this much. Sorry. Rub that in, focusing on the ends of my hair. The reason why I'm focusing on the ends is because the ends is what gets the most dry. And I haven't gotten a haircut, so this mask definitely helps with the dryness. Okay, you can also use the brush, run it through so that it distributes evenly. It smells really good. Okay, now moving on to Now I'm going to put my hair in a bun. It's in a bun. So that is what we're working with. Alright, so now I'm going to be placing the hair towel on my head. So there's a little button there, so all you want to do is just hook, and then the hair towel is on. Wow. Super cute. Okay, so it says that you have to leave the mask on for at least 10 minutes before rinsing it with warm water, so that is what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys after 10 minutes. When getting my package, I also saw that they included this little booklet, and basically this booklet shows more information about the product that I purchased. So I just wanted to include more information about the ingredients. So it says that our 2 supercharged ingredients, raw virgin coconuts and fig, will transform your hair after 1 treatment, and shea butter hydrates, while argan oil and linseed prevent split ends, tame frizz, and add shine to your locks. What makes them different is that their mask doesn't contain damaging and drying parabens, phthalates, and sulfates like 98.9% of other hair products, and also that their mask is gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and they do not test on animals, so that is a huge plus. So Coco and Eve was inspired by the volcanic beaches and coconut plantations of Bali. The mask is designed to not only make your hair look and feel amazing, but also provide endless health benefits too. I'm like really feeling this hair mask right now. Boba break. I have the wintermelon tea with aloe jelly. If you guys didn't watch my Asian baby girl ABG transformation, go watch that. It was my favorite drink ever. So now it's been more than 10 minutes. I'm going to be rinsing my hair off, and I'll be right back. So this is the next day. I air dried my hair, and I am now just styling it with my curler. So I just fast forwarded it for you guys. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I curl my hair, then let me know.